I'm Gupta and I'm 9 years old. I'm the co-founder of ThinkForTheKids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today I've made my Prime Factors app, and today I will show you how I made it. First, I will show you how it looks and how it works, and then we will move on to the concepts and the coding. So, without any delay, let's get started. Dab! I'll minimize the screen. Ooh. Okay, and I moved it. Okay, wait. Come on. Okay, so I've opened my Google Chrome, and here is Replit. It takes a long time to open. Very embarrassing. Oh. Come on, open. Okay, so this is the full good, guys. Okay, so first let's just see what will we get when we are done. Okay, first let me give a composite number so that we get its prime factor. Let's give 10, okay? Oops, 10. Okay, so this is correct. 10 factors are, prime factors are 2 and 5, okay? Now let's give here. Which one to give? Let's first give another number. For example, okay, so let's give here 7257. Oh yeah, it is correct. And now let's give a prime number. Okay, so let's give 13. Okay, so it's getting 13 itself because 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number, and this is a prime number, and 13 is only one prime number. Prime factor is it, and that is itself. So shouldn't we get on the code? I think so. So let's get started. Okay. So now let's just close this. Okay. So declare the global variable. So here we are making 3 variables: prime, composite, and prime factors. And these are global variables. Now let's revise the concept of global variables and local variables, right? So global variables are those variables which can be run in the function also, and it can be used like inside the function also and outside the function also. But local variables, if we make in local variables, if we make them like when we make them in functions in a function, then it will only work for that function. That same variable won't work for the out code. For example, this is the what do we say? This is a function. Alright. Now here is our now inside this function, like there are lots of variables, local variables. Now this local variable will only work for this variable. We can't put that in this in our for loops. Not it's not possible. Okay, that's the difference between local variable and global variable. If you want to learn it perfectly and to be a master in it, um, see my video of global and local variables, which will I will post that in the description down below the link. Okay, so here we are making three global variables: prime, composite, and prime factors. Okay, take input from user. So now we are making a variable num and taking input from a user. Like, yeah, of course, because if we don't have a number, then how will we get its prime factors, right? Okay, now checks if the number passed it to it is a prime number or composite number. So what does this function does? It will check if the number passed to it is a prime number or composite number. So let's see how. Okay, so we are making a function check prime and giving it a parameter a, right? Mm, Uh, then we are making a variable flag which value is 0. Now we are doing a for loop for x in range 2 to a. Yeah, because why 2 to a? 2 to a because we want only the range till 2 to a, so that 2 to the number the um, to the 2 to the range, right? 2 to a, right? So basically 2 to a. But you must be thinking, that's kind of weird. What is a's value, right? So a's value is, we can't say that it is a range. Like, a's value is like from this loop. Like, we will get to know that later. Okay, what is a's value? Okay, but for x in range 2 to a, so the range will start with the number 2 and it will go till a. I will tell you what is its what do you say, the value. Then we are making a if statement. If a remainder x equals to 0. If a remainder x is equals to 0, basically if the number is divisible by any number and the remainder is 0, then the flag value which we made 0 will become 1 and break. Okay, now now for example, we have given a number, for example 10, and that is divisible by 2, right? And x is equals to 0, so it will make the flag value to 1 and it will come out of the for loop, not of the function, from the for loop. Okay, then we are doing if flag equals to 0, prime dot append a, else composite dot append a. Now from here, we are taking the advantage of it. If flag is equals to 0, so basically whichever numbers whichever numbers are divide when we divide and the remainder is equals to 0, then we append it in the primes list. And if it's not equals to 0, then it should be we append it in the composite list. What does the append function do? An append function the append function, what it does is, like, if we want to like, there's an empty list here, right? So the append function will add the value to it, right? It will add the value whatever you think to it, okay? Now find the prime numbers up to the user input number. Okay, so this for loop is finding the prime numbers up to the user input. It's getting all the prime numbers till the user input number. The range till the user which has given the number till that, right? Because we don't want above it, right? Because we just want till that, because prime factors are which are inside, like for example 10. So we can't go above it, right? We can't go like 11, 12, 13, right? So num plus 1. So this function, this for loop will do exactly, it will get all the prime numbers, not the prime factors, the prime numbers till the user input number, okay? Now from, so for z in range 2, num plus 1. Now that the range is starting from 2 and num plus 1. Why are we doing num plus 1 is like if we give in the code a prime number, for example, so that it should get that prime number, okay, right? And when we are doing check prime z, okay, now from here this statement check prime z, we are calling the function also, and here what is doing, its z's value, a's value is z. So basically in the first time a's value is 2 as z's value is 2, because a and z's value is the same. Basically you can say it is a range numbers passing to a, right? From z, okay. Okay, so here we are getting all the prime numbers, right? Till now we are getting all the prime numbers. But we don't want prime numbers. We want the prime factors. So now this for loop will give find the prime factors from the prime list. How is it finding the prime factors? We are giving a for loop for r in prime, that we are making r in prime. So the prime numbers which are saved in this prime list. Now if num remainder r equals to 0, that all the prime numbers which are saved in here, the first prime number which is saved in here, if num, the input number, the user input number, what the user gave the number, divide it by the prime number, and if the remainder is equals to 0, then prime factors dot append r. Now which all the numbers which will be divisible by the user input number and will get the remainder 0 will be appended in the prime factors list. So apparently we have got all the prime factors of the user input. So now finally the last step is to print the prime factors list, right? So here we go. We have made our prime numbers, prime factors. How to get any numbers prime factors, guys? So let's just revise it. I will tell you what does what. So here first we are declaring the global variables, the 3 global variables. From this we are taking input from the user. This function will check if the number passed to it is a prime number or a composite number. Now this for loop will get the prime numbers till the till the input till the input number till mm, till till the number which the user has given. This for loop will find all the prime factors of from the prime list, right? Because we want prime factors, right? So apparently from the prime list, so that we get prime number, then we divide them so that we get all the prime factors of a number. And then finally we print the prime factors list, and voila, here we go, guys, we have made it. Now here is our fully working prime factors app, right? I had given the number 4, and the only prime factor of 4 is 2. Okay, comment and let's give 12. 2 and 3, because 12 is divisible by 2 also. 2 multiplied by 6, and divisible by 3 also. 3 multiplied by 4. So guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you liked it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Bye guys, see you soon. Bye.